In this video, I will be explaining how the Atlas credit card works. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. The Atlas card has been getting a lot of attention lately because it works differently from traditional credit cards, while still offering many of the same benefits. It's designed for people who want more control over their finances, fewer fees, and an easier approval process. So let's break down exactly how it works and what you can expect. The Atlas credit card is essentially a hybrid debit credit system. Instead of using borrowed credit from a bank, you load money onto the card and then spend from your own balance. However, unlike a regular debit card, Atlas still gives you benefits similar to credit cards, including security protections, digital controls, and in many cases, credit building features. This makes it a smarter choice for people who want to avoid debt, but still want the protection and flexibility of a credit card. One of the biggest reasons people choose the Atlas card is easy approval. You usually don't need a strong credit score, long credit history, or high income to get started. The card is built for beginners, young adults, and people rebuilding their credit. As long as you verify your identity and load funds onto the account, you can start using the card almost instantly. The way Atlas helps you financially is pretty simple. When you use the card responsibly, the company reports your positive activity, like on-time payments and consistent usage, to major credit bureaus. Over time, this can help improve your credit score without the risks of high-interest debt or missed payments. The Atlas card is managed entirely through its mobile app, which gives you full control over your account. You can freeze or unfreeze your card in one tap, track every purchase, set spending limits, and get instant notifications. The real-time balance updates help you avoid overspending, since you can only use the money you've added to the card. Another thing people appreciate is Atlas's transparent fee structure. There are usually no interest charges, no hidden fees, and no late fees because you're spending your own deposited money. This makes it ideal for budgeting, financial planning, or avoiding the debt cycle that many traditional credit cards can lead to. Depending on the version of the Atlas card you receive, you may also get cashback rewards, spending bonuses, or perks for specific categories such as groceries, fuel, or online purchases. These rewards might not be as high as premium credit cards, but they're still valuable and help stretch your spending further. Overall, the Atlas credit card works as a simple, safe, and beginner-friendly financial tool. It gives you the control of a debit card with the protections and benefits of a credit card, all without the stress of traditional credit card debt.